So here is a sign I made probably about 5 years ago. Just hanging above my bedroom door here right now. But there it is. So what I did, they call it Intarsia. I think that's what they call it. But yeah, so this is made from two pine boards, and what I did was I cut them out, or I cut all these individual pieces out, and then sanded them down. And then the way I stained them was actually using spray paint. What I did was I just put some spray paint on each of these parts, and then just wiped it off. So red paint for that part, blue paint there, blue paint there. These parts I just left natural. And after that, I glued them onto this backing board, which is, I think, 1/4-inch plywood. And then these letters are also 1/4-inch plywood. Cut those out. And I just, so anyway, yeah, glued these pieces onto the backing board. Used a nail gun to tack them on down. Did the same thing with these letters, and then just clear coat the entire thing. Put these picture hangers on there. Yeah, just figured I'd make a quick video. Might as well.